Hello guys, in this video we're gonna be making a verify command to verify people like Captcha. Alright, so we're gonna start how we always do with a message embed. Equals require .js. We're gonna need Axios because we're gonna be making a request. We're gonna be using the API here to get the images. Wink wink, API is mine. And if you don't have Axios, you would type in a console, not node, you would type in console npm I or npm install Axios. Okay, I'm gonna cancel it, I already have it installed. And then we're gonna need the API URL. So since in my API I remember the URL, it's https://api.node.api-key.com /API/v2/captcha. Alright, and now if I copy this link and we go on this link in the browser, let me allow it on OBS. Alright, so if I go on the link, right, you can see it returns an image right here. It returns an image, and that image is random characters. Okay, so now let's get rid of that. Okay. So now we're gonna start with the bot. Well, we're gonna start with actually writing the code now. So module.exports. This is how I start mine. It all depends on your command handler. Verify. All right. So and then do we need an alias? No, we're just gonna run. We're sync. We're gonna need a sync because we're gonna be using a wait. Client message large, and this. Alright, this is where this is where the code starts. Okay, so we're gonna add a filter. We're just gonna add at the very top. This is the filter for the message collector to collect the user's message. So we're gonna say m.content. This is the filter we want, and we want to make sure that the author .id equals the message.author.id. This is impossible to be spoofed, I guess, because you cannot have anyone else's ID. It's a unique ID, so you only will be collecting one person's information or one person's message. And then, since in Captcha we're verifying, so we're giving the user a verified role. Make sure you already have that in your server. If not, you can easily create it. So verified. I don't know how to spell verified. Const verified role equals message dot guild dot roles, I think cache, yes, dot find. Alright, so we're gonna do role equals role dot name equals triple equals because we want strict verified. Verified. Alright, we're going to look for that channel. So then right here, we're going to check if the user already has it, because we don't want the user to keep using the command if they're already verified. It would be dumb. So we're going to say if message, right, dot member dot roles dot cache dot has verification role dot ID, because it's a snowflake, you're giving it a key. We're going to give it the ID and see if they have that. And then if they do, we're just going to delete their message. This is optional. Message.delete. We're just going to delete it. And then we're going to, we need to add this return statement so it doesn't execute any other code. See, it's giving me a squiggly line here because I don't have any other code under it. So that return is basically useless right now. But once I add this code, you will see it go away. So this is where we're gonna start we're gonna add the request right here. So we're gonna say const data, since we're just extracting the data from Axios. So actually this is a wait Axios get. It needs to be a wait because it returns a promise. Or if you don't want to use a wait, you can use .then, but it's gonna be stuck in like scope. You're gonna have scoping issues if you want to use it elsewhere. So we can just use a sync and a wait to solve all that. And then we can URL. So actually it's not get URL, it's requesting this URL right here, my API. And we can console.log this data to see what we get. Since I already know what it gets, I'm gonna show you in a second. I'm gonna try to make, I don't wanna waste too much of you guys' time. So I'm gonna start the embed equals new message embed dot set title. So what should we set the title? I guess we can say fill out captcha. And then we can set a description, say something along the lines of you have 30 seconds to complete the captcha. Oops. And then we set the image, which will be data.captcha. As if you look on the API, if I bring out, I know I've removed it off the website, but I showed you earlier, it shows it. Then we're gonna await this message.channel.send embed. We always await them because it returns promises, so it's just great. It's just better practice. Should I show you guys what's I have so far? Yeah, I guess I can. So I'm gonna start the bot in node. Alright. Nodemon is to keep the bot like running, like after when the code changes. I have a video on that. Alright, so now let me open up. See right here, Captcha. Alright, anyway, so let's see what we have now. So we're gonna do verify. Message deleted. We wonder why? Because I already have the role. So let me untake that out. Verify. Oh, I have a typo right there. You have. So then boom. It's not gonna say anything because we didn't have the collector started. So we're gonna just block this source right here. Alright. So we're gonna say const collector equals message dot channel dot create message collector, and the filter we're gonna give it, the first argument is gonna be the filter from right here, and then the second is gonna be the time. So we can say time of 30,000 milliseconds, which is 30 seconds, because we want it to expire after 30 seconds. So we're gonna say collector.on. I'm gonna say collect M can just be the listen. Alright, and then you can console log the data, but I already, so I'm gonna try to make this quick. So we're gonna say m.content does not equal the data.captcha underscore text message.channel.send incorrect code. Try again, please. And then we're gonna delete this. We can delete this, I guess, after 10 seconds. No, that's too long actually. Let's delete this after 3 seconds. 3,000 milliseconds. And that's about it. That's about it for that. Then we can also check if the code is right. So we're going to say if m.content equals data.captcha underscore text. We're going to say message.channel.send. You have entered the correct code, and you are now verified. Alright, and then we can say that then, and we're going to delete the message after 10 seconds. We don't need to keep space for this. We can give a timeout of 10,000 milliseconds, 10 seconds. And then since they got the text right, that's just going to keep the collector going. So it's just going to keep collecting responses. And this is where we stop the collector. because we don't need it to keep collecting it. We already got the info we needed. So we stop the collector, and then we're gonna message that member that roles dot add verified role. So what this does right here is add the roles. Okay. All right. And I think that's basically it. So let me try. The bot is restarting. Let's open up this. All right. Discord Brave. Here we go. So if I do verify, let's do 90B. Boom. Incorrect code. Please try again. All right. So then now line 0B. BPA. You have entered the correct code and you are now verified. Do I have the verify rule? I sure do. And then if I type verify again, it just deletes my message because I'm already verified. And that's the video. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Here's my GitHub. You can follow me here if you would like. And yeah. Then you can read right here a bit of the reason why I've been going. I wish you guys the best. Hope you guys have a great day. Stay positive. Just know there's someone out there that loves you. Stay strong, buddy. Have a good one, guys. Give a thumbs up if you want. Subscribe if you want. Have a good day.